കുറച്ച് ദിവസമായി നമ്മൾ കണ്ടിട്ട്. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും വിക്ടേഴ്സ് ചാനലിലെ ക്ലാസ്സുകളെല്ലാം കാണുന്നുണ്ടെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഒരു ക്ലാസ് പോലും മുടങ്ങാതെ കാണണം. വളരെ രസകരമായിട്ടുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ തുടർന്നു കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഞാനിപ്പോൾ വന്നത് നമ്മുടെ മാത്സിൻ്റെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ ഫോളോ അപ്പ് ക്ലാസ്സുമായിട്ടാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ആരംഭിക്കാം അല്ലേ. ഇൻ ദ ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ് വി ലേൺഡ് how to identify arithmetic sequences from other sequences and how to find any term of an arithmetic sequence using its first term and common difference. Also, we learned how to check whether a given number is a term of arithmetic sequence. Now, we are going to learn how to find any term of an arithmetic sequence by using some other terms, or we are going to learn the relationship between any terms of an arithmetic sequence. Okay students, now we can compare the terms of arithmetic sequence with a ladder. The steps of a ladder can be compared to the terms of arithmetic sequence, and the gaps in between each step or two steps can be compared to the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. So from any step we can reach to higher steps or the lower steps in a ladder. So in the arithmetic sequence also we can move to any step from any terms. See, each step here mention the terms of arithmetic sequence, and the gaps mention the common difference. Let us say if you are standing on the third step of a ladder, and if you need to reach the 10th step, we know we need to climb 7 steps. In the case of arithmetic sequence, we can say x3 plus 7 common difference is equals x10. Like that, x4, that means the 4th step, plus 5 common differences is equals x9. So now you would have got the idea. Tell me what is x6 plus 7d? Yes, 6 plus 7 is 13. So the answer is x13. See, now it looks very easy for you. Let's check one more case. x9 plus 7d is equals 9 plus 7 is 16. So the answer is x60. So like this, from one term of an arithmetic sequence we can move to the next term by using its common difference. See here, x10 minus dash is equals x6. If you have got the idea, see what is 10 minus 6? It is 4. So here the answer is 4d. Now x13 minus dash is equals x4. So like that, 13 minus 4, what is the answer? It is 9. So here the answer is 9d. So this is how we find the relationship between any two terms. Now look another case. The difference between two terms, x10 minus x4, yes, it is 60. What is x12 minus x7? Yes, it is 5d. So in all these cases we can relate two terms by the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. So in the first class we learned how to find a term from the first term. Now look here, it is x3 plus 5d. We know it is x8. x7 plus 9d is x16. x2 plus 15d is equals x70. Now from that, in the first equation, 5d is equals x8 minus x3. In the second one, 9d is equals x16 minus x7. 15d is equals x17 minus x2. So from the first one, the common difference d is equals x8 minus x3 by 5. The second one, d is equals x16 minus x7 by 9. And in the third case, it is x17 minus x2 by 50. Now, if we look into that, in the numerator, in all the cases, what is it? It is the term differences. That is, x8 and x3 are terms, x16 and x7 are terms. What about the denominator? Yes, it is the difference between those positions. So we can say now common difference d is equals term difference by position difference. So if we are given any two terms of an arithmetic sequence, we can find the common difference by this term difference divided by position difference. Now if xm and xn are any two terms of an arithmetic sequence, then the common difference d is xn minus xm by n minus m. So let us do one problem by using this. In an arithmetic sequence, the 6th term is 28 and 15th term is 73. Write the sequence. So here it is given x6 is 28 and x15 is 73. Now we learned how to find the common difference. Yes, d is equals x15 minus x6 by 15 minus 6. That is 73 minus 28 by 9. That is equals 45 by 9. The answer is 5. So here we got the common difference as 5. But to write the sequence, we need first term. Now let us see how to find the first term. The 6th term is 28. That means f plus 5d is 28. Here d is 5. So f plus 5 into 5 is 28. F plus 25 is 28. So the first term we get here as 3. Now we can write the now we can write the sequence as 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. So now you can write the arithmetic sequence given any two terms. Okay, so it looks very easy for you now. Now in the first class we learned the nth term is equals f plus n minus 1 into d. While solving this, we can write it as f plus dn minus d, which again we can write it as xn is equals dn plus f minus d, which is the algebraic form of an arithmetic sequence. So in your textbook you can find this is the formula to find the algebraic form. Now consider an arithmetic sequence 4, 7, 10, etc. Here the terms are mentioned x1, x2, x3, etc. So find the 10th term and the 25th term. Let us see how to find out. We know the xn is equals dn plus f minus d. So here the first term is 4 and common difference is 3. So x10, that is 10th term, is equals, how do we find out? Yes, dn, that means here common difference is 3. So 3 into 10 plus 1 equals 30. Like that, what is x25 is equals 3 into 25 plus 1, which is equals 76. So by using the algebraic form, we can find out any term of this sequence. So whenever a sequence is given, we can find the any term or find terms using this algebraic form. Now let us try to solve some problems. Find the algebraic form of first sequence 5, 9, 13, 17, etc. Here first term is 5 and the common difference is 4. So the algebraic form xn is equals, yes, what's it? dn plus f minus d, that is equals 4 into n plus 5 minus 4, that is equals 4n plus 1. You can check it up by substituting the values of n here. The first term is 4 into 1 plus 1, 5. Let us check the second question. Here the sequence is given as 1, 4, 7, etc. Here first term is 1 and common difference is 3. So nth term or algebraic form is equals 3n plus 1 minus 3, that is f minus d. Here we get it as minus 2. So we can write the algebraic form as xn is equals 3n minus 2. So whenever these negative numbers are coming, you must be careful to write like this. Now let us check one question. In an arithmetic sequence, 10th term is given as 32 and 20th term is 62. 3 questions are there. First, find the common difference, write the first 5 terms and write the algebraic. So the first question, we know how to find the common difference, isn't it? Yes. What is it? D is equals, yes, we have studied now. D is equals x20 minus x10 by 20 minus 10. Here it is 62 minus 32 by 20 minus 10, which is 30 divided by 10, which is equals 3. So the common difference is 3. As we find the common difference, to write the first 5 terms, we need to get the first term here. In the last question, we learned how to find the first term also. So here x10 is equals 32. That is f plus 9d is equals 32. So we need to find f. Here we know d. F plus 9 into 3 is equals 32, which is f plus 27 is equals 32. So the first term is 5. Now we can write the sequence very easily. 5, 8, 11, etc. Now coming on to the third one. The algebraic form is xn is equals dn plus f minus d, which is 3n plus 5 minus 3, that is equals 3n plus 2. So in today's classes, we have learned how to find the algebraic form of an arithmetic sequence and how to write a sequence given any 2 terms. So we can meet in the next class. Till then,